Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany here. Today I'm bringing you guys one different video, and that will be how to wrap a gift. And if you don't know how to wrap a gift, this video will help you. And if you know and I did something wrong, you can just comment down below and tell me, because I'm here to learn, guys. So I'm trying to help you guys because we are in the Christmas spirit. So if you want to check how to wrap a gift, make sure you stay tuned, watch the entire video, and let's get into it. Okay guys, I hope you did enjoy the video and how to wrap a gift tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends and family members because you are in the Christmas spirit and everyone would like to wrap a gift. So follow me on Instagram, DM me for any ideas, content, and suggestions. You know, guys, I'll be there every time. And yes, be safe. Peace out.